April the 16th, 2018. Major flooding hammers the eastern USA. The freezing rain and fierce headwinds sent torrents of water cascading down staircases and turned platforms into subterranean lakes. Floods caused major traffic disruption across New Jersey and into the New York suburbs amid torrential downpours, thunder, lightning, and winds up to 40 miles per hour. John 13:19. Now I tell you before it come, that when it is come to pass, ye may believe that I am he. Prophecy, April the 12th, 2018. In a vision, the Lord reveals a spiritual leader walking into so much mud that he loses one shoe. The leader barely realizes it until he began to lose the other. Interpretation: much flooding is determined in eastern USA shortly.
Prophecy, April 12, 2018. In a vision, the Lord reveals a spiritual leader walking into so much mud that he loses one shoe. The leader barely realizes it until he begins to lose the other. Interpretation: much flooding is determined in eastern USA shortly.